Hi, welcome to Lone Star College. We're going to get started with this presentation. Hi, my name is Hector Marquez Rubio. I work for Lone Star College. My position is a Specialist 3, Outreach and Recruitment. Let me start by talking a little bit about what Lone Star College is. Some fun facts, some fast facts. So our mission is Lone Star College systems providing comprehensive educational opportunities and programs that enrich lives. This is true. We want to make an impact within the community and within our student population. So that has led us to being one of the top 5 largest community colleges in the nation. One of the fastest growing community college systems in the United States, but not to mention that we have on our classes a small size where students can feel value and they can feel the level of education that we have. We are an educational institution that is focused on student success. With that being said, we have 7 different campuses, 10 centers, and 2 university centers. Some of the campuses are Cy-Fair location, North Harris, Montgomery, Kingwood, Tomball, Houston North, and University Park. We are located in the north side of Houston, past 610 North. We have 2 different routes that a student can take. One will be the academic programs that are stackable. Could be a certificate, going for an associate's, then a bachelor's degree, and then moving on to a 4-year university for a master's degree. The second route will be a workforce program. Those are non-credited certifications that you can just come in, and then once you're done with that certification, you'll be ready to go for the workforce program. For the academic programs, you have to do the application on applytexas.org. For the workforce programs, we have an in-house application. We have more than 30 fully online programs for students to choose. We understand that right now we are in a pandemic and we want to make sure that we keep our options available for our students who want to go fully online. So we have examples of those programs will be Associates of Arts, Associates of Accounting, Computer Program Specialists, and many more. That has led us to being the #1 college for student enrollment in the nation. So aside from being an online, we have online programs. We have different delivery methods. We have hybrid, which is a combination between face-to-face and online learning. You can go once a week to do a fully face-to-face, and the other portion you can do it online. Then we have also the fully face-to-face learning. We have the associate degrees that are the Associates of Arts, Associates of Science, Associates of Applied Science. We have small tuition, we are affordable, we have small classes, and we are close to home. That has led us to being the #1 college in Texas for offer registered apprenticeship programs. Those are going to be considered the fast track programs, such as the CDL truck driving, dental assistant certificate, welding, and personal training, among others. Again, we are affordable, we have small classes, and we are close to home that you can just go into the workforce right after completing your program. Another achievement from Lone Star is that we are the first community college in Texas to actually be approved 3 bachelor's degree programs at the same time. Those are being the cybersecurity, the nursing program, and the energy manufacturing trade management. They are starting this fall, so a student can come here, do the basics, and actually earn up to a bachelor's degree within Lone Star College. We have different options for financial aid, so a student can apply for the financial aid application, also known as the FAFSA or TASFA, depending on the residency status of the student. We have the code in there. We have to have all of the documents required for the FAFSA. If we are required, the financial office will be providing a list if we need any additional documents. Once you accept your award, you will be able to see your loans, grants, and scholarships that are being offered. And those additional, we have in CARES Act and emergency funding available right now. I also will be emailing the link just so we understand that right now there are hard times, and we understand that Corona has taken a lot from us, so we want to take care of our students by providing a little bit more of a financial assistance. Speaking of assistance, we have the advising. Once you have been accepted into the college, you will meet via, you can set up an appointment with your academic advisor or your advisor via phone. You can set up an email or even a virtual meeting. So you don't have to go into the office to set up a meeting. Other resources that we have at the moment are going to be, if you are a veteran, we have veterans services that can help you with your benefits. If you want to pass them along to your child, they can use your benefits. We have fully online students, so we have resources for fully online students. We have actually computers that we are lending to our students who are not able to have access. We also have hotspots, and we have a contract with a local internet provider that provides to Lone Star students at a discount rate. We also have a career services, so we not only focus on students getting a education, but we also want students to get a job. So, and we provide internships and job opportunities at the end of the programs as well with the career services, also known as Career Stars. If you have a disability, we also have disability resources for you that you can definitely utilize for anything that relates to testing or to setting up accommodations for you. At this moment, I would like to open the floor for any questions that you guys might have. If you do, please, at this moment. I'm also going to leave here my contact information, so if you think of any other question, you're more than welcome to give me a call or shoot me an email. Thank you so much for your attention, and you have a good day.